Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this makeup look. I wore this in my last video, which was my Disney vlog, and a couple of y'all said that you wanted to see it, so here I am doing it. I wanted to copy this look exactly how I did it in that vlog, so I used the same exact shadows, but ColourPop has since discontinued this shadow called Ego, which is this one, which is the one that's all over my lid. So if you have it, if you happen to have all of these shades, then that's great. But if you don't, other ColourPop shadows that would work, maybe, are in these palettes. So I'll swatch them. They're not exact dupes, but that's what I have to kind of compare it to. They're all in the same like rose gold kind of realm. If you have the ColourPop I Think I Love You palette, this color right here in the corner that I believe it's called Screw It would work just fine. You have the Kathleen Light Stream Street palette. This one's a tad bit more gold. I don't know how to read this. I think this one's called Sweet Dreams. It's a little more gold, but it still would work for this kind of look. And then if you have the All I See Is Magic, then this top one here, 1111, that could work for the same effect as well. So you just need more of a metallic-y, rose gold-ish shadow. Before we get started, if you want to follow me on any of my socials, that'd be cool. They're linked down below, my Instagram and Twitter, and who really cares about Snapchat anymore, but it's there if you want it. So keep watching if you want to see this super easy, glowy, pinky, I don't know what this is look, but just keep on watching. I already primed my eyes, so I'm going to start out with ColourPop's Made to Last single shadow, and I'm just going to put this in the transition area. I love this color for this because you can really deepen it up or soften it out as a transition color like I'm doing right here. Now with ColourPop's Cute Alert, I'm going to be putting that in the outer corner of my eye, just kind of like patting that on the outer part, and then dragging whatever product's left on my brush into my crease. I'm not really trying to be super precise with this either, I'm just making sure the edges are really blended out, so I'm going to take my first brush with no additional product and kind of blend those edges. Now with ColourPop's Cloud 9, I'm going to put that at the base of my lashes. It doesn't really make a difference, you could skip this step, but I did it anyways. For any sort of metallic shadow, I like to use a glitter primer, so this is the next one. And this is the ColourPop Ego shadow, which is now discontinued. But first I'm going to put down the glitter primer, just patting that all over my eyelid, and then go right on top with the shadow. This just makes sure that the shadow doesn't fall on your lashes or anything like that. It'll just stay all day looking how it should. Now I'm taking the Kat Von D tattoo liner and just doing a thin line against my lashes, just as a base for my falsies. And the lashes I'm using are the Ardell Studio Effects 231s. For my brow bone highlight, I'm taking the Urban Decay Sin Highlighter. And you could stop here, but I like mine to be a little brighter, so I'm taking Shimma Shimma by Makeup Geek. Starting on my face, I'm going to prime with Smashbox's Primerizer, and then I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. Right now I'm in the shade 4.0 because I am self-tanned. For concealer, the Maybelline Better Skin Concealer Light Medium, and just putting this right under my eyes. I don't like to highlight with concealer, I don't want to put too much product on everywhere, so just concealing the darkness underneath my eyes. I'm going to set that with the Kat Von D setting powder, and I only put that right on my eyes where I put the concealer and anywhere I know I crease. For the lower lash line, I'm taking Cloud 9 and Cute Alert again and smoking that out. My inner corner highlight is the Urban Decay Sin Highlight. For my waterline and tightline, I'm using the Maybelline Gel Liner. I like using gel liners because I find they stay much better than anything else. I'm using a waterproof mascara for my lower lashes, so nothing smudges. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Fawn Contour Powder, and I'd like to put this under my lower lip just to make it look a little bigger. And then I go in contouring my nose, start at the bridge, and then contour the tip a little bit. I actually don't know what I'm doing, I just kind of do this. Good luck to me every time. Usually I go in way too harsh, so I take my sponge with the foundation still on it and kind of blend it out a little bit, make it not so harsh. With Sin, again, I'm highlighting the center of my face, so the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, give myself a highlight mustache, forehead, chin. Taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and Bronzer, I'm just going to bronze my face. I'm not doing any precise contouring here. My highlight is the Fenty Beauty Fire Crystal Lightning Dust Duo. Just putting that on my cheekbones and then above my eyebrow. I like to do this before blush because then the blush kind of blends the highlight and bronzer together, making it more seamless for me. My lips are the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipsticks, and this is the color Rum Punch. Setting spray, Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. This has a lot of little shimmers in it, so if you don't like that, stay far away from this. So this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!